This is a case study for my client Dipti, how she closed this 6400 USD client without sales call. Within 15 days of jumping into one-on-one mentorship, my flagship program. My name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, Canada. I came to this beautiful country 5.5 years ago, and from last 2 years, I'm building my business. I help high ticket affiliates and coaches to scale their business to $20,000 a month. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how everything looks, and second part, key takeaways from this result, what I got, and how you can have this kind of results in your business. So what we really did together that caused this result. So let's talk on that. I'm gonna keep a little this. Let's get started. So this is a screenshot, guys. Like, she sent me this, and super happy. How client feel when they client sign their first client. And normally you wouldn't see people closing clients so fast in different programs, but in this something I've noticed. The reason I call it one-on-one mentorship, you can imply on your own what you offer in your coaching. What I like in this, they get one-on-one support. So they are not in a little big group or any kind of group. They are working with the one-on-one. So I know directly what's going on in my client businesses. So I can have a deeper magnified look on how they're operating, what they're doing, what kind of content they are doing, how they're talking to people, every single thing in detail. So that was one little thing I would say that was a big advantage into this, getting the results really fast. So the next part is the key takeaways from this. So she closed fully without sales call. Biggest win was she's a mom of two beautiful children, and that was the biggest reason she wanted to close client without sales call. So she had a lot of time to spend with her children. So example, what she was doing earlier, she was doing two things basically. She was paying appointment setter, and she was trying to book call herself. So what was happening that she was trying to book like 20 calls a week or something like that, and to book that 20 calls she need to have at least 200 conversations, like 10% booking ratio, right? And from that 20 people, one or two maybe buy, and things going to follow up. And who wants these things, right? They want to put effort. Who doesn't want to put effort? But they want to spend time with their children. Dipti had this reason. So next, when we worked on their kickoff call, like the first thing that happens when people jump on one-on-one mentorship, we work on creating their premium offer. So we work on that, and she get into the work as soon as possible. She get in the field. We finish that. She get in the field of showing the people her offer and making changes to her content. And after 2 weeks, after 15 days, good to go. So having one-on-one support was a big thing here. So when we were working together, she can message me anytime one-on-one. She's not just in business. We have a special support for our clients. So what happened here, she messaged me on Voxer, like this conversation I'm having, and I was able to give her real-time feedback on how you can handle this objection, how you can handle this, and now sending the offer, and how you can handle the payment and things like that. Then the biggest part was the pre-selling audience. She did a really good job on pre-selling the audience, and she's even a 2-time TED speaker, so the credibility goes really high. That was a big thing for her. So to show in the real world how it looks like, so she don't have like every single thing. Your business might look different too. If you wanna build something like this, you wanna close client without sales call, your business might look different. It's not same for everyone, not even anyone. It's gonna be different for every single person. So we have a Facebook, she has a Facebook, and she has a community too, almost less than 300 members, and she has the Messenger. And a lot of people say you can't monetize small audience. When you do things the right way, when you are truly pre-selling the audience, you just couldn't only sell them, but you can sell without sales call your high ticket offers. So Next, she has this. So she prospect met her at this phase. So they're talking to her, yet understanding her problem, what is happening here, and this was already ready. This is the first thing you gotta do, because think about this. Why we do this in the one-on-one mentorship? The first thing, because if this is not done, your premium offer is not ready. You can't go back to the your content ecosystem. You can't create pre-selling content. So first thing you gotta do, you gotta lock in your premium offer. So then we have conversation with that, and the same thing happen, and we send them the offer. Client has some little bit objection here and there, how it looked like, how the calls are gonna look like. Simple as that. Handle those, close the client. Simple as that. So this was the exact framework she followed to close a $6,400 client without sales call in less than 15 days. So that was a big win, and just wanted to share the context behind it, what was really happening. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, like in one-on-one mentorship, if you are a coach, you really have a good heart, you want to help people, but you're not getting clients, feel free to reach out. We have some amazing offers going on. We might able to help you out, and let's talk. Let's figure out a solution for you. And you have this in front of you. You can use this. This is how we run our business 24 hours. This is how we are building every single day. And this is in front of you. So happy for Deepti. Big things coming her way, and hope you get value of this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comments. Please like. Please, if you have any friends who are affiliate coaches, feel free to share this. Not just is gonna build that belief, and it's gonna give them a solid system they can follow to close to make $20,000 a month. So and one last thing, we have a free private community. We not just like this, but we also do interviews, trainings, more than longer detailed training, super value of detailed training in the community. I'll put link in the description below. Feel free to go there. Have a great day. Thank you so much for being here at this time. Thank you so much for investing in yourself. See you next time. Bye-bye.